my channel, you guys. If you're new, hello. My name is Blanca Estela. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my October Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Okay, so I got pretty good products. Well, I always get good products, but I'm really excited about this month because I got extra good products. Okay. Okay, so stay open. Okay, I know it's November, but I'm gonna start uploading these the month after, just because I do receive the Ipsy box as close to the end of the month, and it doesn't give me enough time to film it and edit. So I'm gonna start uploading the month after. Hope you guys are okay with that, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything one by one like I always do, and I'm gonna tell you guys about each product. I'm actually gonna go in order from the little card because it's just easier, you know. Okay, so the first thing is a exfoliator. This is by Dr. Brandt, and this is their ℎ𝕒𝕢𝕢𝕢𝕢 age-defying exfoliator. Exfoliate anti-age, renews skin radiance, polishes and smooths, helps diminish the look of fine lines. Wow. And it's for all skin tones, so that's pretty cool because I'm fucking oily. So if it's all for skin types, I hope it's true. So this is the cleanser. I'm going to read to you guys what it says on the little card. So this retails for $79. Bitch, what the hell? Oy. Oh my god. It's like a trip to the derm in a jar because it was developed by one. A mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals smooth away the day to reveal brighter, tighter skin. A soothing blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera helps reduce redness. Wow, look at that glow. Nice. I'm actually excited. I just love cleansers because they help take the makeup off. Because I use makeup wipes, but I don't really think it takes everything off. So I always go in with the cleanser and I'm good to go. So if I don't have to buy any cleansers, I'm good because I have like 5 cleansers that I haven't finished because I keep getting them in my Ipsy or in my Yes. So I'm just like, bitch, hell yeah. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing is a bronzer palette. This is by Lovecraft Beauty, their bronzer palette, and this is what it looks like right here, and then the back. I did get the blush palette in an earlier box, so I do have that. It's somewhere here because I do use it, and it's a really good palette. I like the blushes in there; they're really pigmented and they stay on all day. It's somewhere here, but so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the bronzer palette. So that's the palette right there. Pretty durable shades. I'm pretty sure I can get away with using all of them. I can use a really dark one for my nose, and then the 2 lighter ones for my cheeks and shit. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so this palette retails for $30. Inspired by New Orleans makeup artist and founder Francelle Day, believes beauty is a connection to your inner magic. These matte bronzers easily blend to build to a natural sun-kissed glow, and definitely double as eyeshadows. That's pretty cool. Okay, the next thing is a highlighter powder. Oh, it's a powder stick. This is by Trestique Beauty or Cosmetics, and this is their all over Starlight powder stick in ultraviolet. This is the packaging right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ooh, yeah. So the shade is up here, ultraviolet. Well, this is really cute. Look, it looks like a little tiny ass pencil. Where's the words? Oh, right there. Super cute. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, this is so cool. So this is the highlighter right here, the highlighting powder. You guys see how it's kind of holographic, but look at it. You twist it, And bitch, it goes up. Damn. That is so cool. I've never seen a highlighter like that. Bitch, look at that shit. That was one fucking swipe. That's gonna be too pale for me, but you know me, I'm gonna use it as an inner corner highlight or as an eyeshadow, so it's all good. That is pretty cool. Oh my god. So cute. Okay, so this little highlighter retails for $18, which is not bad. Designed for life on the go, Trestique creates multi-purpose crayons that travel with ease. This Twisted Powder highlighter swipes onto cheeks, eyes, and body for an ethereal ultraviolet glow. That is so cool. Okay, so the next thing is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Betty Boop and Ipsy collaboration. It's the That's So Betty Boop palette. I'm trying to take it out of the packaging. So this is the packaging. Super cute. And then, ooh. And this is a there's a palette right here. So cute. Oh, these are pretty shades. Oh my god. It's a cute palette. So I did get an email that I was able to choose one of my products for this month. And I picked the palette. Because it looked really pretty online and I really wanted it. So I picked it and actually got it. So I'm pretty excited that I did get it. So that's pretty cool because I got a eyeshadow palette and I also got a face palette. So thank you. Yeah, I can't wait to try this palette. It is really, really cute. Okay. So this palette retails for $30. Inspired by the icon beauty muse Betty Boop, this Ipster exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over hue. With 8 buildable hues like shimmery champagne, powdery pink, and rich plum, these velvety shadows glide onto lids with ease. That's pretty cool. But I also got a little bag with Betty Boop on it, so that is pretty cool. And the bag is like sequins, and on the inside is red, and this is Betty Boop. It's really pretty. I really like this purse. I actually wish I had a strap, and I can actually take it with me. Okay, so I have one last item to show you guys, and this is a eyeshadow. This is a brush set by Farrah brushes, and this is their Midnight Pro Trio, and it is 3, I believe, face brushes. These ones right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open these up. I think 2 boxes ago or 1 box ago, I did get one of their eye brush sets, and I actually like the brushes. I use them, and they're really good. Okay, so these are the brushes right here. Ooh, I like the packaging. They are like black and matte. They're so pretty. And then I need to take these off. The bristles look kind of blue. Can you guys see that? Like the tip looks kind of blue. Oh yeah, the tips are blue. Oh my god. That is so pretty. Hold up with me. Come on now. Oh, there we go. These are the brushes right here. So the tips are blue. Really, really pretty. This one is a stippling brush. This is our brush number 40 FM. Right there. And then this one is their Cheeky End brush, and it's the number 218. So I think I will use this one for blush, and then the one I showed you guys first, I think I'll probably use this to contour just because it has a flat top, or even for concealer, even for, I think, foundation. So we'll see. And then the last brush is their straight brush. This is their brush number 20 FM. F. And I think I would use this for highlighter. Really, really cute. So this brush set retails for $48. $48 for 3 brushes. What the hell? Okay. Perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips in a stubble midnight blue tint to the fibers. I knew it was blue. This trio of brushes is the epitome of luxury. Made by a team of beauty lovers, Farah Brushes is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and expertly designed for flawless application. Okay, so it tells you to use which one? The 20. Oh no, so the straight one, the flat one, this says that this would be good for foundation or for applying foundation to your skin. And then the cheeky one, which is the big one, is for blush. And then the flat one is for highlighter. I was kind of there, you know. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. That is all I got for this month. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys don't mind about me uploading a month later, like the month after. It's just easier on me. But if you guys don't like that and want me to upload it the month of, then I can totally work to get it up. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do have a link down. If you want to try Ipsy, you can click on it and it'll take you right to the website. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.